airplane. Thank you to millions always there staying. I don't know who you are, but thank you very much. I can see that always 2 millions without changing the number. So here we are in Loreto, Ancona, Italy. In that car, nag-ano yung car na yan, oh, sa mga kutsilyo, magpatalas ng kutsilyo. If your knife is not anymore, ako'y takot na ilipad ang aking hat. Very windy, it's not anymore sharp, so you bring there, oh. Meron akong knife na since I bought here 1987, never not anymore sharp. Dapat dadalhin ko dito. Dadalhin ko dyan. Yan. Dadalhin ko dyan. The basilica is there, oh. Very nice panorama here. I like. If nobody can give you happiness, give happiness to yourself. That's why. Nobody give me happiness, so I give my happiness myself. I love it very much. Watching the sea over there, oh. Very windy. Very windy. Yan ang ano, oh. Yan ang sasakyan, car of the municipal police. And over there, takot akong baka ilipad itong aking ano, eh. Focus ko yung ano, airplane, aeronautica. Andyan pa rin yung ano, 2 millions, always 2 millions. Always 2 millions, always 2 millions. Ayun yung nagano, yung car na sinabi ko, magpa-sharp ng kutsilyo. Knife. Yan. Magpa-sharp ng knife. Yan, umalis na. Naging 1 million na yan dyan. Umalis na. Masyadong makikita ba ako kasi madilim, eh. Taiwan, ganyan, kita ba? Doon yung ano, doon yung airplane. The bus stop is near there, the airplane. The driver is very handsome and very good. Very gentleman. Not all driver are gentlemen. He is good for the, because that is a tourist bus, something tourist bus. No, not tourist bus. Service from here to train station. That's why only every 1 hour. So public service. The driver in my town is Scorbotico. What is that in English? If you ask, they respond. Not all the same, but mostly. That is a group of tourists. Oh. You see? Group of tourists. Pilgrim. Hello, 1 million ang natira dyan. Thank you, 1 million. Ano nga? 5. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you very much guys. Hanggang dito na lang. Bye.